Leadec is a global industrial service provider. We program the robots that put new cars together. We transport entire factories across countries, maintain the machines that build aircraft, service building facilities, and everything else in between.
We operate in more than 200 locations across 4 continents, from USA to Germany, from Brazil to China, and now have around 20,000 employees worldwide. We keep our finger on the pulse of technology and apply that to our work. Whether that be technicians, programmers, cleaners or engineers, we are passionate about what we do and working proactively to make our customers' processes faster and simpler.
But most of all, we are proud of the work we do and want you to feel that same pride if you decide to work with us at Leadec.